liver lovers, this video is for you. Keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna make an easy and delicious liver recipe. We are using a beef liver, a green paprika. We have here salt, coriander, cumin, garlic, and a drop of vinegar. Afterwards, we're gonna add some pepper. We're gonna make strips from this. So I sliced my liver here to thin, and we're gonna make the strips. Now when our slices are ready, here, then we are gonna add all the spices. Our kefta here is mixed, as you see. I will let it rest until I cut the paprika, which will be into slices as well. It's time to fry our liver in a hot oil. I'm gonna put my pepper now. Our liver here has been for 15 minutes. It's time to add the paprika. Mix a bit. Now our kefta is ready. Took about 20 minutes. It's time to serve. I'm gonna put here in my bowl. And drizzle on top a bit of tahini sauce that we made last time. And I'm also using a bit of fresh coriander. That's ready. Thanks for watching. If you like what we are making, please like and subscribe.